Hi guys, my name is Shaun Roselt. I'm from South Africa and I've been programming in Delphi for almost 2 years now. I'm currently 17 years old and I've been really into the whole Delphi community. So I'm admin on 2 Facebook groups and 2 Facebook pages where I help Delphi developers. But I'm making this video because I believe Delphi can once again be popular. Delphi is actually currently rank 11 on the Tube Index. The Tube Index is a website. They determine the popularity of programming languages, and they have ranked Delphi as rank 11 and Pascal as rank 14, I think, in this month. So I'm making this video because of the Delphi Game Development. So the newest version of Delphi is currently Delphi 10 Seattle. It's made by Embarcadero Technologies, and Delphi 10 Seattle allows developers to make applications and games for Windows, iOS, OS X, and Android. And I've been busy making my own games, and I've started making games, and I've seen other people make games, and I'm going to show you some of the games that other people have made. Let me show you quickly a video. I found this video on YouTube, and this YouTube shows games that was made using Delphi between the years of 2002 and 2007. So this is old games, but this is games that was made in Delphi. And let me quickly show you the video. So these games was all developed using the Delphi Programming Language, and this wasn't the entire video, but this was the part of the video that showed the games that was written. Before I showed the video, I don't know if you guys saw it, but there was like a spider in the corner of my like there was like a spider there. I didn't even see it. I'm actually very afraid of spiders, and there was a spider there. I saw it in the video and I didn't even notice. I don't know if you noticed it. Anyway, so I've programmed in multiple programming languages, and I found Delphi as my favorite language, and I would really like Delphi to become popular again, especially with game development. There is plenty of game engines written in Delphi for Delphi developers, or even written in C++ for Delphi. So there is plenty of game engines. I will list the game engines in the description of this YouTube video, and also other links that will help you with Delphi game development. I actually want to show you my website, which shows you my skills, to show you that I have been developing in different languages, and that I truly do choose Delphi above these other languages. I've also started developing my own games, which I'll show you now. and also another game which Marco Cantu and his son developed together, which is on Android, which is on Android, and I play it a lot. Let's quickly show you my website. So this is my website. I made this website using HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. So my web development skills is HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and a bit of Ruby on Rails and PHP. And my software development skills is Delphi, Pascal, C#, HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. I also know a bit of Python and a bit of C# and then also SQL. So this is my languages which I know, and as you can see I know a lot of languages, and above all of them I choose Delphi. So here is my about. So this website is actually offline. I haven't yet published it, so some images might not show because it is online. So this is just some information about me, and then a long history about me, and just some photos of me. So this website isn't finished yet, but it will be finished soon. And then here's my portfolio. This is apps and games and websites which I made for either myself or for someone else. So here is it. All of this is made in Delphi. All the games and apps is made in Delphi. So that was my website. I was going to show you my games, but I'm having trouble recording them on this computer, so I'm not going to show it, but I'll explain my games. So basically I've made a few games. I've made a snake game, a Flappy Bird clone, and what else have I made? I've made a tic-tac-toe game. I've made a snake game, but with a bit different. It's like you play as a car and you basically drive around. It's basically a snake clone also. I've made a snakes and ladders game, and I'm busy making another game with my girlfriend. It's basically a cat breeder. The game will be available on all platforms. It's cross-platform. It's not finished yet, but I'm busy with it. So basically, you're a cat breeder and you play against other players, and you have to buy and sell cats and breed with them and just make money and be a success. And now I would like to show you sorry. I'd like to show you the game that Marco Cantu made, which I play a lot on my Android. I think it's also available on iOS and I think Windows also. The game is called My Minifigures, and I'll show you it now. Let me just check my phone. Okay, so this is my phone, and as you can see the game has notifications as well. I'm sorry for recording the game like this. This seems to be the only way I can record it like right now. So there's the notifications. And so basically this is just a loading screen of the game. So it's loading now. So this is the home page of the game. So you have gold here, and the gold is so every 24 hours you get more gold, and here is basically your collection of Legos. Basically you're collecting Legos. This is all my Legos. You can also sell Legos or buy Legos from other players online, and every 30 minutes you can get a free Lego, or you can, like now I got this Lego, and in 30 minutes I'll have a new Lego, or I can get it right now for 6 gold. So this is just basically the game.
It's very fun, and Marco Cantu, he updates this app regularly with new Legos and up just security updates and bug fixes and stuff. And this isn't the only Android game. I also have a few other games and apps which was made in Delphi on my phone, but I'm not going to show them now. You can just go download them yourself and Google for them or something.
Okay, so the video is now already over 10 minutes, and I'll have to start ending the video off. So basically, what I'm trying to show you with this video is that Delphi is still popular with games. You can still make awesome games in Delphi. It is possible and has been done. I would like to challenge all of you to learn the Delphi programming language. It's very fun, and you might just become addicted to it and fall in love with it. I know I have. I started programming in C#, and then I started programming in C# when I was about, I think, grade 3, which is age 9. But then I stopped, and I started again in grade 9, which is age 15. And I was currently doing C# and Delphi, and I completely fell in love with Delphi. I couldn't stop. It's an amazing language. Everyone just has to learn it. And I want to challenge you all to learn Delphi if you don't know it yet. If you do know it, I would like you to make games. If you have already made games in Delphi, then please comment the game link in the comments of this video. I would really love to check your game out. And if you want to ask any questions, comment it below. I'll be happy to read it and answer. And you can also, please guys, make games with Delphi. Post the comments below. I'll check them out. I'll give you tips if you want tips. I'll give suggestions. I'll even test the game for you. I would really like Delphi to become popular again with games. Once upon a time it was popular. Now not anymore. Let's make it popular again. So I think I'm going to end this video. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and here is my website URL as well. I've not yet posted the website online, but if it is posted online on this URL, you can find it there. If it's not on this URL, then I will post the new link in the description, or I'll make a plan. But for now, that's the link. So please share this video with everyone. Let's make Delphi popular again, and thanks for watching again. Please subscribe, share the video and like it. Thank you. Bye.